Discover the Maxkare recumbent exercise bike, a compact titan in the world of indoor cycling. Designed for home use and gentle cardio, this bike is a space saver's dream, offering a suite of features that rival the Fitment RB034. Boasting a manual magnetic resistance with 8 levels, an adjustable seat, and a console that tracks all your vital stats, this bike is built for convenience and effectiveness. It supports up to 220 pounds and fits comfortably in your home with dimensions of 45.7 inches in length and 18.9 inches in width. The Maxkare's sturdy steel frame is designed for durability and stability, with a step-through design for easy access. Coated in corrosion-resistant paint, it's a sleek addition to any workout space. Plus, with transport wheels, you can easily move it wherever you need. Comfort meets functionality with a padded seat and backrest, ensuring a pleasant ride every time. The seat's lever-based adjustment system allows for quick changes, accommodating users with an inseam between 27 and 35 inches. The bike's magnetic resistance system ensures a smooth ride, with the ability to pedal in reverse. The weighted pedals with straps enhance your workout, keeping your feet firmly in place as you cycle. The console is straightforward, displaying time, distance, speed, calories, and pulse. While it lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, it does offer goal-setting functions to keep you motivated. Assembly is a breeze, with most of the bike pre-assembled and a clear instruction manual to guide you through the remaining steps. Maintenance is minimal, requiring only regular cleaning and checks for loose parts. The Maxkare shines with its sturdy frame, comfortable seat, and easy-to-use console. However, it lacks a backlit display and a bottle holder, and the tablet holder may obscure the console. The Maxkare recumbent exercise bike is an affordable, reliable choice for those seeking a low-impact, comfortable workout. It's perfect for gentle cardio, recovery training, and weight loss. For seniors, the Maxkare recumbent bike offers a pain-free cycling experience, supporting the thighs, calves, and glutes with minimal stress on the joints. It's a testament to how exercise can remain a joy, not a chore, at any age.